Hello, today we are going to make a Strata Cup. We're going to put this lovely leopard print onto the cup today. To start off with, we are going to get it all ready to cut. So this is a Strata Cup. This is a 24 ounce. And we are going to be putting the leopard print on the cup. And we're going to be using holographic from Maker. Maker is the Michaels brand of vinyl. This is actually my first time trying this out. There we go. Okay. Now we're just going to head back over to Design Space. Over in Design Space, we are now going to click Make. It's going to ask you if you want to save your project. Today we are doing it on a mat. And now I'm going to click Continue and look at our vinyls. We're going to click to holographic vinyl. Done. And now we're going to load the mat. Here we go. We're going to load the mat. Now we're just going to weed the design. I have two different types of weeding tools here. So I have the weeding tool by Cricut, and I also have my weeding pen. My weeding pen I mostly use for when it's delicate kind of cursive writing that needs to be weeded. But it does also work for regular weeding as well. Yes. Now your cup is ready. I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you like this content, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.